Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. O'Meara. This is Problem Set 18. If you've not done it yet, then go back and do it, and then come and check your answers. Remember, we are using number bonds to decompose numbers, and then we're applying them, remember, to the distributive property. And remember, decomposing means to break down. So go ahead and check your answers. On number 1, we have 8 times 10. We found out is 80. We broke the 8 tens into 5 tens and 3 tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens equals 8 tens. 5 times 10 is the same thing as saying 5 tens. 3 times 10 is the same thing as saying 3 tens, which equals 8 times 10. 50 plus 30 equals 80 because 5 times 10 is 50. 3 times 10 is 30. 8 times 10 is 80. Number 2, we broke the 7 fours into 5 fours and 2 fours. 5 fours equals 2 fours, which equals 7 fours. 5 fours plus 2 fours. And remember, 5 fours is saying the same thing as 5 times 4. So 2 fours is 2 times 4, which equals 7 times 4. 20 plus 8 equals 28, which is 7 times 8 is 7 times 4 is 28. Number 3, we're breaking apart the 9, so we're decomposing it into 2. 5 times 10 and 4 times 10. 5 and 4. So 5 tens plus 4 tens equals 9 tens. 5 times 10 plus 4 times 10 equals 9 times 10. 4 plus 40, 50 plus 40 equals 90. So 9 times 10 is 90. 10 times 10, we're breaking apart the 10 into 5 and 5. So 5 times 10 and 5 times 10. 5 tens plus 5 tens equals 10 tens. 5 times 10 equals 5 times plus 5 times 10 equals 10 times 10. 50 plus 50 equals 100. So 10 times 10 equals 100. And you can easily count by tens 10 times, and that gives you 100. But I'm hoping that you're understanding that you can make 2 smaller facts and come up with the products and then add those together to figure out your larger fact. All right, let's go to our next sheet. Here we go, problem set number 5. There are 7 teams in the soccer tournament. 10 children play on each team. How many children are playing in the tournament? Use the break apart and distributive strategy and draw a number bond to solve. So if you look at this, it says you have 7 teams. On each team, there are 10 children. So here we go, 7 and times 10, because each has 10 children on each team. So we break apart the 7, 5 times 10, and 2 times 10. So we bring it over. Here's our 5 times 10. Here's our 2 times 10 equals 7 times 10. Therefore, we have 50 plus 20 equals 70. 7 times 10 equals 70. There are 70 children playing in the tournament. What is the total number of sides on 8 triangles? Well, if you remember, a triangle has 3 sides. So if we have 8 of them, we have 8 total triangles. Each of them have 3 sides. So we're going to split this apart, or we're going to break it apart, decompose it into 2 smaller numbers, 5 times 3. Here we go. 3 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9, which equals 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. There are 24 sides on 8 triangles. Last one. There are 12 rows of bottled drinks in the vending machine. Each, here is our clue, has 10 bottles. So here's one row has 10 bottles. Second row has 10 bottles, and so on. So 12 times 10. We're going to break apart the 12 or decompose it. So we're going to use 10 and 2 because we can count by tens easily. So 10 times 10 plus 2 times 10 equals 12 times 10. 100 plus 20 equals 120. 12 times 10 equals 120. There are 120 bottles in the vending machine. How'd you do? Hope you did great. Let me know if you need help.